Hey guys, today we're making guacamole salsa.
So first, you want to get our ingredients: avocado, tomato, onion, lemon, and jalapeno. You want to rinse your hands and wash the ingredients you'll be using. Now you want to grab your avocado and you want to cut them open. And we're going to remove the seed and you want to place that aside. You don't want to throw that away. Next, you want to grab a spoon and remove the avocado from the skins. And now we can start smashing it and make it into a dip. Now we can start cutting the onions and put that into our dip. And we can start dicing our tomato and also put that into our dip. Now here, you already have a finished dip. If you'd like it not to be spicy, you can just use the onion and tomato to make your dip and you're done. However, if you want a little bit of spice, you can cut off the top of the jalapeno and start dicing it. Once you've diced it, you put it into your dip. And now if you want a little bit of a kick, you can put some lime in there. Grab your lime and spread it around your dip and mix it. If you want a little bit of flavor, you can add some salt, mix that in, and now you're done. Now you just need your favorite tortilla chip and you're finished with your dip. A bonus, you remember the seeds I told you not to throw away? You can actually use them to put them in the dip, and you want to squeeze them a little bit into the dip and use some plastic wrap to wrap it, and this will actually preserve it a little longer in the refrigerator. It should last you an extra day or two in the refrigerator without spoiling. Thanks for watching.